Okay, so finish what I was doing over here with Excel. I left off, I was about ready to select the plot graph type that I wanted to do. So I have to go back to where I was. Okay, so I was at the scatter plots. I'm going to start out with this one, and then I'll show how to change it so that the one line is a line instead of points. So select scatter plot. Shows up there. I'll drag it where I want it, down here. Okay, so now I want to change, it's got the blue-orange dots, and they're so close together that you can't really see the blue ones too much. The orange ones are on top. And here's the little legend down here. So I want to change that. So what I do is I click on one of the points here, and that selects those points. You can see up here actually shows you it's selected the X theoretical and the theta, and it didn't select the X experimental. Doesn't matter too much. I just wanted to select something. And then I can go back up here. I'm in Chart Tools Design tab, and you can see here I can change the chart type. So this will allow me to change, what I want to do is change just one of them. So down here it shows both of them, and I just want to change the orange, which is a theoretical. I want to change that to smooth lines. So I go down here, and that's smooth lines here, and it shows what it's going to look like. That's what I want. So, okay. All right. So now I got the smooth orange line for the theoretical and the blue dot for the experimental. Okay. Also, I didn't put on labels like I have over here, so I need to add the labels. You do that with the little plus sign over here. And I need axis titles. That's what this is called, titles. Okay, and then I can change this to what I want, axis title. So I want to change that to M in grams. Okay, and I could do the same thing with this one. I'm not going to do that. I can use some other tools to move the things around. And what else do I want to do? Oh, the chart title, of course, I can change that to what I want. ... I'm not going to do the whole thing right now. All right, but that's the general idea of how we do a graph.